Assalamu alaikum students. The exercise is exercise 10b and in the previous lecture we have done question number 12 to 15. Now in this lecture we have to do question number 16 to 19. So question number 16 is a plus b whole power 4 plus 4. So students, we have to factorize it by using algebraic identities. A plus b whole power 4 can be written as a plus b square into square. 4 can be resolved into square into square. Plus 4 can be written as 2 square. Now by completing the square, the first term is the square of any number and the second term is the square of any number. So we have to complete the square. A plus b square whole square, the square of the first term and the square of the last term, plus 2 according to the formula, and the first number in the first bracket, that is a plus b square in the first bracket, and the last number in the last bracket. So plus 2 into a plus b whole square into 2 is missing in the question, so we have to subtract this value as well. So 2 into a plus b whole square into 2. So by the algebraic identity a square plus b square. So by using the algebraic identity a plus b whole square, that is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is equals to a plus b whole square. So we can write a plus b square plus 2 whole square minus 2 2s are 4, 4 into a plus b whole square. Now 4 into a plus b whole square can be written as 2 into a plus b whole square, because 4 is the square of 2. So it will become a square minus b square, that is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So we have to put this algebraic identity. So a plus b whole square plus 2 into a plus b, a minus b. So a plus b whole square plus 2 minus 2 into a plus b. So by arranging the values we get a plus b whole square plus 2 into a plus b plus 2, a plus b whole square minus 2 into a plus b plus 2. So this is the answer. Now the question number is 17. X power 4 plus 8x square plus 144. So x power 4 can be written as x square whole square and 144 can be written as 12 square. So now according to the formula plus 2 as it is, the first number in the first bracket, that is x square, and the last number in the second bracket, that is 12. So when we have to multiply 2 with 12 x square, we get 24x square, but in question we have given 8x square. So 16x square are extra values, so we have to subtract it to balance the equation. Now using the formula a plus b whole square, that is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square, that is equals to a plus b whole square. So a x square plus as it is b 12. So x square plus 12 whole square minus 16x square can be written as 4x whole square. Now this is the algebraic identity a square minus b square, that is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So x square plus 12 plus 4x, x square plus 12 minus 4x. So by arranging the values we get x square plus 4x plus 12, x square minus 4x plus 12. So this is the answer. Next question is question number 18, that is 3a power 4 minus 18a square b square plus 3b power 4. So students, as you see that 3a power 4 and 3b power 4 is not the square of any number and 3 is common in the each term. So first of all we have to take common as 3. So 3 as it is, a power 4 minus 3 6 18 a square b square plus 3 as a common b power 4. Now a power 4 can be written as a square whole square and b power 4 can be written as b square square. Now we have to complete the formula. Here is minus sign, so minus 2 according to the formula, a square in the first bracket and b square in the last bracket. So when we have to multiply it, we get 2a square b square, but in the question we have minus 6 after taking the common 3 as common. So this is minus 2a square b square. So when we have to minus 2, we have to minus 4 to get a minus 6. Minus 2 minus 4, that is minus 6. So we have to subtract 4a square b square. Now 3 as it is. This is a complete formula of a minus b whole square, that is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a square minus b square whole square minus 4a square b square can be written as 2ab whole square. So a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So 3 as it is. A square minus b square plus 2ab. A square minus b square minus 2ab. Now by arranging the values we get 3 as it is. A square plus 2ab minus b square. A square minus 2ab minus b square. So this is the answer. Okay student, the last question of this exercise is 19. 9a square minus 4b square plus 16c square minus 1 minus 4b minus 24ac. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. So we have to complete two formulas like first 3 terms and the last 3 terms. But first of all we have to arrange them. 9a square. So we have to find the value of a. Here is a. So minus 24ac. C as it is. So we have to take 16c square. So this is the 3 terms which complete the formula. Now the remaining terms will be minus 4b square minus 1 minus 4b. So we have to take minus as common and we get 4b square plus 4b plus 1. Now 3a square can be 9a square can be written as 3a whole square. 16c square can be written as 4c whole square. Now according to the formula minus sign, minus 2 according to the formula 3a in the first bracket and 4c in the last bracket. So 2 3 is 6 and 6 4 is 24ac. We will get minus 24ac. So this is a complete formula of a minus b whole square. Now the second formula, 4b square can be written as 2b whole square. 1 can be written as 1 whole square plus 2 according to the formula 2b in the first bracket and 1 in the last bracket. So 2 to the 4, 4b. So this is the complete formula of a plus b whole square. Now we have to apply the algebraic identities. So we get 3a minus 4c whole square minus as it is 2b plus 1 whole square. Now a square minus b square, that is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So 3a minus 4c plus 2b plus 1. So 3a minus 4c minus into 2b plus 1. Now we have to open the brackets. We get 3a minus 4c plus 2b plus 1. 3a minus 4c minus 2b plus minus 1. So this is the answer. Okay student, I hope you will understand the whole chapter number 10. Allah Hafiz.